Welcome to 10 Minute Teach with Mr. A. In this video, we're going to be learning what square roots are and how to calculate them. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so let's have a little look at our examples then. So we're trying to find the square roots of these numbers, and you'll see my top tip just above. What was the number before it was multiplied by itself? Well, let's see if we can make that make sense. So I'm writing down the numbers 2 and 4. Now, a square number is where you multiply a number by itself. So the little 2 symbol that you have there basically means that you multiply that number by itself. So the actual calculation is 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 4. Now the square root, you have to think about, well, what was that number before we multiplied a number by itself? So 4 was 2 times 2. So we can have a look at our other examples. So let's have a little look at this one. So we've got 9, which would have been 3 squared. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. Now let's have a look at example number 2. So we've got 16. Well, what did we multiply by itself to make 16? Well, we would have multiplied 4. So 4 squared. So the square root of 16 is 4. Okay, let's have a look at number 3. So we've got 25. Now, what did we multiply by itself to make 25? Well, 5 times 5 is 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. And then we've got 64. So what did we multiply by itself to make 64? Well, 8 times 8 is 64. There we go. So the square root of 64 is 8. And then we've got 81 here. So what did we multiply by itself to make 81? Well, we multiplied 9 by itself. So 9 squared, or 9 times 9. So the square root of 81 is 9. And our final one, we've got 144. Now, what did we multiply by itself to make 144? Well, we multiplied 12 by itself, so 12 squared. So the square root of 144 is 12. If this video has helped you today, then please consider checking out my other videos, maybe leave a comment for any that you'd like me to do in future, and also maybe a little subscribe as well. Until next time, guys, goodbye.